Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into your region's bank account. Step-by-step guide, step-by-step clearly. Open a web browser on your computer or launch the region's mobile app on your phone. Make sure your internet connection is stable to avoid loading or login errors. If you are using a browser, type regions, come into the address bar, and press enter. Check that you are on the official region's website by confirming the URL and the lock icon in the address bar. On the homepage, find the online banking login area. Click or tap the user ID field to start entering your login details. Type your region's online banking user ID exactly as you created it. Click or tap the password field. Type your password carefully, paying attention to uppercase, lowercase, and special characters. If you are in a private place, you can use the show option if available to confirm your password is correct. If you are on a shared or public computer, do not select any option that saves your user ID or password. Click or tap the Login or Sign In button to proceed. If you are asked for extra verification, follow the on-screen instructions for multi-factor authentication. Choose how you want to receive a verification code, such as text message, email, or authentication method shown. Enter the verification code exactly as you received it, then submit or confirm. If you see a security question, answer it exactly as you previously set it up. Wait for your account dashboard to load completely. Confirm you are logged in by checking that your name or account overview is visible. If you cannot log in, select Forgot User ID or Forgot Password on the login screen. Follow the recovery steps and provide the requested information to reset your access. Create a strong new password if prompted, and do not reuse old passwords. After resetting, return to the login screen and sign in again with your updated details. If you are using the mobile app, enable biometric login like Face ID or fingerprint only on your personal device. Review any security alerts or notifications shown after you sign in. Navigate to accounts to view balances, recent transactions, and account details. When you finish, find the log out or sign off option, especially on shared devices. Close the browser tab or the app to protect your account after logging out. If you continue to have issues, contact Regions customer support using the official phone number on Regions.com. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.